everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to be using the Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette, and I think I'm going to just do something colorful because today is just one of those days that you need to have some type of uplifting time. I had went to my doctor today, so yeah. Alright, so if you want to see what I create, just keep on watching. Alright, so today was one of those days. I went to my regular doctor because I got some blood work done, in which I haven't had blood work done in almost 10 years, so don't come at me, I know. But yeah, so I found out I have hypothyroid problems. So I have upper thyroid problems, and that's what's causing my hair loss, from me being able to lose weight. So yeah, and then I have high cholesterol, so I kind of have to, you know. So I'm hoping that me just doing my makeup is going to make me feel a little bit better. It's good news, but I'm glad it's that, because I would feel some type of way if I didn't have that, because, you know, then there's something else going on, and then I got to go get more blood work. Yeah, so, yeah. It's funny because I'm having issues and I'm drinking Red Bull. But alright, so I had already went in with the white because I wanted to give myself, I wanted to be a little bit brighter. So, I think with the first shadow, I am going to go into, let's see. This is hard. I think I'm going to go in with yellow and see how that goes. I've been having trouble with yellows. I wanted to do a look earlier, but I had to like go to the doctors and stuff, but I was like testing out the yellow in the Glam Light palette, and I think it's the paint one, the one that looks like a paint palette, and I do not like it anymore. Like, it is not it's not that great of a palette. I know that yellow is kind of difficult to work with. I know that, but I still would like a palette that actually like works. So I ended up using this one because I know this palette works. And but my eyelids are kind of like blah now because of me testing out the different palette. So I had to continue to wipe, and now my eye is kind of like irritated, so now that's not helping either. So right now I'm just kind of tapping it and then swiping up here just to like be able to make sure that I can blend with the other shadows when I go to use them. But right now I'm trying to get right here because this is where the trouble spot is happening. And I'm like really digging into the shadow. I hate when things don't work out. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like super patchy right here. I'm gonna try a different brush. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna try this one. It is my Morphe 167, and I'm gonna just take this yellow again and see if I can tap it a little bit better. But yeah, so I have upper thyroid problems, And that pretty much explains why I have such a difficult time losing weight. Because I don't know if anybody remembers, but in my past video, I started doing the Team Beach Body program, and I ended up hurting myself. I don't know if it was through the video or I did something outside the video that caused me to have a sciatica nerve pain, so I had to stop working out. So all I can do was pretty much eat healthy, and that still didn't work for me. So basically I come to find out that it's because of my upper thyroid. It's basically my brain and my body are not entwined when it comes to my thyroid. So I'm hoping that the medication that the woman gave me, my doctor, starts to help, because I have been trying to lose weight for some time now, and I feel like the only time that I've really ever lost weight was when I pretty much wouldn't eat after like a fucking breakup. You know those breakups that you get when you're younger? I feel like that was the only time that I really stopped eating and actually lost weight. So yeah, hopefully the medication works and things start to turn around. And my doctor also gave me this nutritionist that I have to contact to go see, which is pretty cool. I'm hoping that she's able to help. It's not that I can't watch what I eat, it's just I don't eat enough. It's that I don't, sometimes I miss breakfast, or I miss lunch, or I just don't eat dinner. So yeah, that's where that trouble lies. So it's not that I can't eat healthy, is that I just have trouble with keeping up with meals. So hopefully this nutritionist can help guide me to where I need to go. Okay, so now what color do I want to do? I kind of want to do a blue, but then I want to do pink or purple, or this color. I think I'm going to do blue. I think I'm going to do this shadow here. So I just need to grab another flat brush. So I'm going to take my E5 from Bling Brushes. I'm going to take this blue. And all I'm doing is just tapping. That's how much I'm putting on. But yeah, so I'm hoping that I can pull through this, so that way I can start getting more healthy and losing the weight, because like I don't like being heavy. And like, it's not that I'm like fat or anything, it's like I'm a mid-size person. I'm in between sizes, and it's not fun being in between sizes, because like things don't always fit, and I'm always like trying to find something that fits me, and it makes it difficult to go shopping. Like, I'm really having trouble trying to find a graduation dress, like, or even an outfit in general. So wow, if you heard that, that was my stupid neighbor's kids. Wow. So none of this is really working for me. And like, I'm pretty sure you guys can't even see where it's like not blending. I don't know what's going on right now, but I'm hoping that I can get this to be better later. Usually when you put everything else together, it makes it look good. You gotta like trust the process kind of thing. It's like, I don't know if you could see any of that. It's not blending very well. And I know this palette is good because I used it the last time. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to just leave it like that. And now I'm going to take, pretty much just drink up my Red Bull. Okay. I think I'm going to take the pink. This pink right there, and I'm gonna go in the outer corner. So now I'm going to have to take another flat brush, which is another E5. I have plenty of E5s. I need to buy more bling brushes though. I'm obsessed. Now I'm gonna take this pink and just go in the outer corner. Yeah, this is pretty much ass. It is not really helping at all, but I'm gonna go with it and we're gonna see how that performs. Because I'm really just tapping it. I'm trying not to swipe or anything. But I'm going to take this blue and I'm going to just bring it right on top between these two. Hoping it's coming out okay. I haven't done a bright look in a very long time. I just don't like the way that it's like blending. This is not really how I wanted it to go, but it's going to have to do. And I'm just tapping all of it, and it's still like patchy. Like, I don't understand this. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know if you guys can see how patchy it is. Like, it's so, like, I can't really tell through the camera, but it is super patchy. I don't like that. Could probably just make it work. I know for sure that this eye is bigger than this eye. Trying to blend that together, but every time I swipe, I end up taking some of it off the one shadow. Let's fix this side a little bit. Just really tapping. This is not cool. I'm not really liking this. But I'm tapping and I'm gonna push through. I wanted something bright, so I'm gonna do it. But yeah, so hopefully the medicine and all of that and eating healthier will help me with my weight loss. My mom's like, oh, I don't think you should be taking the medicine and there's side effects and da da da. I'm like, oh my goodness, are you serious right now? So yeah, I'm gonna just test it out for a couple of days, well, a couple of months, because she said it takes about 2 months for you to actually start seeing a difference. And she put me on the lowest dose that she could possibly put me. So I'm not going to really sweat it. All right, so I think I want to, let me see if this brush would do it for me. I want to do something up here. I don't know what though. Maybe I should do like this. I think I'm going to take this purple right here. It's like a purple. And I'm going to just pass it over the top. Let's see what happens with that. So I'm going to take my Morphe whatever brush because there's no number on it. I'm just going to go like this. Put some purple in that bitch. Can't really tell, but I did something. Whatever. Let's see how it goes. This came all the way up. That's gonna be hard to really get here. Because it kind of went all the way up. I could take a Q-tip and like wipe that because it's like all the way up there. Just take this. Do that. Because that like really went up there. Okay, so that didn't really do much, but I'm gonna just leave it like that, and I'm gonna take my wipe, and I'm gonna wipe under, spread that out, do that. Okay, so this is the completed look. I like it. It did come out okay. It's not my best, but I may do. And as you can see, I went in underneath with different shadows. I went in with a green, a purple, and a blue. The green that I used was the budgie, this color right here, and then I went in with this shadow, and then I went in with this blue right here. And I did put on some falsies. I got these off of Amazon. They're called Lucia or Lasha, whatever it's called. I do like them, but they are a little bit difficult to put on. So if you don't really like difficult lashes, don't get them. But they are a little difficult to put on. So get them at your own risk, pretty much. So I also went in with the Feel the Passion from Buxom. It's a lip plump. I thought it was like a good time to put this on because I like it. Now I feel like it's all complete. The shadows were not working with me very well today. I don't know why. But I hope the next time I do use this, it'll be a little bit better. I did like the way that it came out. I just kind of wish it was a little bit brighter. But the only thing is that I think it's kind of hard to get shadows like these a little bit bright, but I did use a white base on top. So I'm going to see if I can get like the primer that you could put on that is actually like the color. I know they have like pinks, blues, purples, whites, yellows. I want to get that. Like I really want to get them. So I'm hoping that pretty soon I can get that. But it did come out nice. I really do like it. I also went in with the Milani cream to powder foundation. I actually like this foundation. Wow, look at my baby's hairs. I do like this foundation. I like it actually a lot better than the KVD foundation. This one actually laid on really nice. It lasts pretty much all day the one time that I had it on. So I do love it. It is a really good dupe for it. I think it's only, I want to say like 14 bucks. It is, this is actually $10.99, which is not bad compared to the KVD foundation, which is I think like almost $38, almost 40 bucks for it. Not really a fan of it, but I do like this one a lot. It's really pretty. It goes on nice. I'm not really good with foundations that are like this, like cream foundations. I'm not really good at them, but this I do like. I do have the CoverGirl one. This is supposed to be another dupe, but I haven't been able to open this and actually work with this yet. And also I don't know if this is the right shade for me or not, so I'm going to test them out maybe in my next video. And yeah, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back very soon. I have another palette coming in and I'm gonna review that with you guys. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe and click the notification button down next to it to get all my future uploads. I also want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. I know I don't post as much, but I'm trying to post again every 3 days, like 3 days out of the week. So yeah, oh, and by the way, I did use for my highlight the Ofra Pillow Talk. This is a pretty highlight. I love it. It's like a pinkish, rosy kind of color. I do like that. But yeah, so I'll be back very soon. Bye.